Virtuo Vivo, how to use the cleaning tools. Get familiar with the cleaning tools location. Learn how to use the different cleaning tools available. The cleaning tool are available within the Scan, Align and Review screen of Virtuo Vivo. To use the lasso tool, simply click above the targeted area for deletion. Drag the cursor downwards to create a circle encompassing the intended region. Possibility to undo and redo the action. Remove Island tool. Important to only apply the Island tool to areas that are completely disconnected from the scan. Select Remove Island and click one time on the area to delete. The first click will highlight the area to be clean. The second click will delete the area. If the scan become entirely selected by mistake when using the Island tool, simply use the Undo function. Note that the use of a mouse helps with the manipulation of the 3D file.